Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.06. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has seen a decline of 34.81%. This equates to an average loss of negative 1.05% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 35.53% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 53.09% to negative 15.82%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 16.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 14.05% and positive 115.03% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $45.22 to $113.13. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, High volatility in TQQQ ETF price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $52.61. The TQQQ ETF price gained 35.24% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $38.90 to $52.61. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 37.88%, with a low of $38.73 and a high of $53.40. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 16.99% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 106 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 352 million shares changed hands for approximately $18.51 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 43.91% or $41.18 below the 52-week high and 67.68% or $110.18 below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $162.79. JP Morgan strategists have indicated that if inflows into United States equity exchange-traded funds continue, we may be nearing the end of the current market correction. This is particularly relevant for the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF or TQQQ, which has seen notable investor interest. As of March, TQQQ has weathered market fluctuations well, with a focus on aggressive growth through leverage. However, analysts remain cautious due to high valuation risks and a volatile market, as indicated by the elevated VIX index. Even with recent corrections, the Nasdaq reaching a new all-time high earlier in February could position TQQQ for potential gains. Nonetheless, significant risks remain, including the challenges posed by negative compounding, especially in fluctuating markets. TQQQ is also celebrating its 15th anniversary, having amassed over $25 billion in assets, reflecting its popularity among investors seeking leveraged exposure to technology growth. Long-term performance is promising, with TQQQ significantly outperforming the Nasdaq 100 index over the past 5 years. In summary, while short-term movements may be influenced by current market sentiments and corrections, TQQQ's long-term prospects may still hinge on broader economic fundamentals and the stabilization of the technology sector. Investors should remain vigilant about inherent risks while monitoring potential rebounds in this leveraged ETF. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 35.24%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The TQQQ ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average shows a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. In the event of further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $63.60. Should the price decline, support will be found from the short-term average at $48.96. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a sell signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $50.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is deemed very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $14.67 between its high and low, representing a 37.88% change. In the last week, the ETF has seen an average daily volatility of 23.85%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $50.30. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the TQQQ ETF a good buy? The TQQQ ETF currently shows several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have revised our assessment of this ETF from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate that TQQQ will open lower by $4.36, beginning trading at $48.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.